Right, so we're changing the brake pads on this Vauxhall Adam 2018 because it had an MOT and they advised that the brake pads are wearing down thin and would only last for a few more months before they needed replacing, but they didn't advise the brake disc change, so we'll just do the brake pads and change them. Okay. So what we're going to need is a 14mm socket, and we're just going to take the lower bolt away here. This will release the brake caliper, so we can just swing it up and change the pads. I have lifted the bonnet up and I have opened the brake fluid reservoir just to release the pressure when we push the pistons back. Okay, so just put the cap lightly on top just so no dirt gets inside, and we're going to do that and I'll show you in a minute.